Almost everyone in the internet search on ways how to earn money. And some are searching for ways to earn a passive income. Passive income is income that requires little to no effort to earn and maintain. So how do I get this passive income? One effective way is through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the process by which an affiliate earns a commission for marketing another person's or company's products. There are three parties involved in affiliate marketing: the product creator or the seller, the affiliate, and the consumer or the buyer. The product creator or the seller is a solo entrepreneur or a large enterprise who offers product to a market. The product can be a physical object like a household good, a digital product like an ebook, or a digital service like graphic designing. Some of the best affiliate marketing platforms to find these sellers are in the ClickBank, JVZoo, and the Warrior Plus. ClickBank is an affiliate marketing program that was founded in 1998 and is privately held. The company has more than 6 million clients worldwide, which secured it in becoming the 87th largest internet retailer in North America. JVZoo is an affiliate marketing platform that allows sellers to easily list, promote, and sell their products, and affiliate marketers to easily find interesting products at great prices to promote. Warrior Plus is a digital product platform for buying and selling products related to online business. Products such as ebooks, online courses, access to paid membership sites, and software are usually sold here. The affiliate promotes his chosen affiliate product and convinces his buyers to purchase it. If the consumer does end up buying the product, the affiliate receives a portion of the revenue made. How do I become an affiliate? Just follow these 4 simple steps. Step 1. Sign up for an account in any of the affiliate marketing platforms above. Then go to their marketplace. Step 2. Find your niche or a specific area of marketing which has its own particular requirements, customers, and products. Recommended popular niches are the health and fitness products, e-business, and e-marketing products. Step 3. Go to the affiliate page of your chosen product and find the resources you can use to promote it. Generate your affiliate link or the link that will earn you a commission once the consumer clicks it and purchase the product. Step 4. Promote your product to your target traffic. I will discuss later the effective ways to promote your product and where to get your specified traffic. The consumer is the buyer of the product which the affiliate promotes. When the consumer is finally persuaded to purchase the product, the seller earns his sales and the affiliate gets his commission. What are the effective ways to promote my affiliate product? 1. You can start a blog and write articles about your affiliate product. You can also find and use some articles in the affiliate page you chose to promote. Or you can hire a professional article writer to write your articles in online job platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. By starting your blog, you need a domain and hosting, no problem. You can create your own free website using WordPress. But if you want to continue and build up your website, their monthly plan is as low as $4 billed annually. 2. You can create your social media page in Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to promote your affiliate products. For everyone in the world is using the social media nowadays, it is one of the methods you can use to promote products to people. Persuade your followers to buy your affiliate product by posting engaging pictures, videos, or articles in your social media. You can also create ads in these social media platforms and embed your affiliate link. 3. You can start your own YouTube channel. Create videos promoting your affiliate products and insert your affiliate link in the video description. You can also divert your traffic to your website or social media page by inserting their links in the description. Recommended video creator for beginners are Content Samurai or Vidnami, where you just need your script and they'll literally make the video for you in less than an hour. They offer a 14-day trial and a plan that starts at only $35 per month for the unlimited video creations. 4. You can build sales funnels and landing pages. This is the best tactic that affiliates use nowadays to promote their affiliate products. Sales funnels refer to the buying process that companies use to lead their customers through when purchasing products. Build your sales funnel using the best and in-demand funnel building on the web, the ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is an online sales funnel builder that helps businesses market, sell, and deliver their products online. It's a simple, hassle-free alternative to ranking your website in the search results. Or you can send emails to your target traffics that will divert them to your opt-in form and landing page you made using ClickFunnels. Then use a software that will automatically handle your email and follow-up messages for you. GetResponse is an email marketing platform that enables you to create a valuable marketing list of prospects, partners, and clients, so you can develop relationships with them and build a responsive and profitable customer base. Where I can get my traffics that will buy my affiliate products. There are two types of traffics, the organic and the paid traffic. You can get your organic traffics in many free ways. 1. You can message and promote your affiliate products to your family and friends that you know will be interested in your affiliate product. 2. You can search and join groups and pages in social media that is related to your affiliate product. Engage with them by commenting on group posts, then divert them in your website, YouTube channel, or landing page by sharing articles or videos about your products. 3. Posts engaging pictures in Pinterest that tells about your affiliate product. Embed your website link or YouTube channel link in your Pinterest profile. 4. Search for forums and groups about your affiliate product in Google. Join their conversations by commenting and posting topics. Then insert your website or YouTube video link in your posts. Organic traffics are not guaranteed to make you sales. So here's the best legit websites where you can buy traffics according to your niche. Try trafficforme.com or Udemy. They offer traffics according to your niche in affordable prices. Try using also the Google Ads, where you can promote your website or YouTube videos in the Google page where almost everybody is searching for stuffs. Those are all you should know when starting an affiliate marketing. Feel so overwhelmed with it? Don't know where to start? You might want to find a mentor, a guide, or even better, a built-in affiliate system. The 12-Minute Affiliate is a proven effective affiliate system with the price of just $9.95. Perfect for beginners. No building of websites or creating videos needed. No creating funnels and landing pages. They done it all for you. Set up the system, choose your products, buy some traffic, relax and wait for your earnings to enter in your account. Here's some proofs made by the system. $191 commission in just 1 day. A $729 in just 3 days. Wanna be like them? Have a courage to enter something new. Invest in your passive income now and quit your 9-to-5 job that earns you less. Start your affiliate marketing business now. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe.